They're bottle openers. Ceviche. Look, wait. Oh, we got what I want. Jugo de naranja y zanahoria. I feel like this one's good. Here's our lovely helper. ¿Cómo te llamas? Felipe. Mucho gusto. No, go around them. Watch out, watch out. Don't go, don't go. It's a roasted tomato sauce.
Wow.
Wow, it looks amazing. I didn't even know what came on it. I was like, oh, just tuna poke. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I can't. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You. Sorry. Didn't know we were coming to this beach. We were gonna go to the Uco beach. This is Estoril. Yeah. Yeah, you literally like this looks like their house.
No, yeah, it says it's right here too, so I don't know. Oh, what's that back there? No, he's eating food. You see him? Oh wow, it's nice in here.
I'm glad you got this on film.
Right?
We found it.
Oh, in the cut.
Really have to know.
Yeah.
A pineapple. Can you grab that for me? Straws are falling into it. Cheers.
Got a nice little breakfast platter. Desayuno.
Desayuno. This beach is beautiful, y'all. Watch out.
I've been chilling patiently. I'm trying to build up a vibe. I'm trying to get to know you openly. Cause I've been trying to focus. Talking to myself, I wish you ever notice. Outside of that window, that's my yellow lotus. I take you back to the crib, I'll be the host, you be the hostess. Trying to hold you tightly. I don't wanna keep my distance, not even slightly. Make you feel it all in her back, in your waist. She say, give me more of that, yeah. Now she touched me underneath the cover, think she got to run. So maybe you're undercover lover. Now she loving and loving a domination. We live in a population. I'm looking and all I see, all I take care of the place like it's copy and paste. So girl on your way, she want to kick out the place. All the different ways. See so many girls, it's like a maze. On my days, head from the bubble, smoking on this haze. Baby, there ain't never gonna be another me. I'll just make some dance, so with the local army. We taking it far, we the niggas and they gon' see. They feeling me, but you can keep on feeling.
With avocado, mango, and chips, wonton chips.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Looks
Hope you guys
amazing.
enjoy.
I don't know if I've had like part of your tuna tartar.
Yeah. It's kind of the same as the poke, or the sushi.
Yeah, it's kind of the same.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Get
Trying to show the camera.
we have escalos here
Wow.
and chorizo.
The little chorizo tacos. They're so
Chorizo
cute.
with chimichurri. It's really good.
It looks really good. They're so cute. God bless the food. I don't even know if we pray, y'all, but we need to pray.
Also, we have grilled veggies here. Veggies, same. White rice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The table is so small for too much food. Have you guys enjoyed the dessert, guys?
Why was that working? Ooh.
That's our coconut cream milk cake.
Dang. Get the close up on it. Yeah, I'm fired them in a cause right there. I just can't beat the view. No, it's like behind the mountains on the, oh, look at that way. It's like that way coming out. I don't know. I think that's it. Thank you so much. Cheers. Juice counter, I have no idea. Mine's like not sweet at all. I don't know what's it gonna be, but I like it. Yeah, but your pineapple's already sweet, and then you get your like papaya's not sweet. Just waiting, what you say? No, I'll tell them. It just seems like it's probably really busy during the high season. And it gets like congested up here. You know? Came during a perfect time. Hola. Oh, they're so cute.
Hola. Hola. Wow. It says do not enter the water if you don't know how to swim. Okay, it's not that bad, but what'd you say? You can? Well, I see little looking cute. I can't even see it, but you're looking cute. Said pineapple, but I don't know.
The way she got the little straws, and I'm cheers. My friend Peach says that these taste good and that you can eat them with curry. I had no idea.
Yeah, they just almost look like coconut, or not coconut. Yeah, coconut trees too, though, when you look at them. Jungle. We're kind of used to it now.
Just in it now, you know, Pana. Release that ramp, picked up them.
Mango, maracuyá, coco y también tengo fresa.
Costa Rican restaurant, and the food's laps. We haven't missed. I'm probably gonna order the whole snapper. It's on special. God bless you. have more food.